Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add split screen in your Premiere Pro. So here you can see there are two clips. This is clip number 1 and this is clip number 3. Basically there are only two clips. So I just want to put a split screen here. It's very easy to do it. I will select the first clip here and I will position it, right? So I just want the waterfall in right side of the center. So this is a center, I think so, but still it is not in a perfect line. So I will just go to the effect center here. If you're not able to find this effect option, just go to your Windows menu bar and make sure there's a tick mark beside it, right? And here I will just go to and search crop. I will click and hold and put it over clip number 1, right? And once you add your crop, effects here, then you will find a crop drop down under the effect control. And the same thing, this is the left, so I will just click and hold and I will crop it from left side. You can just crop it from all the sides, but I just want it from the left side and I will put it in the center, right? So this is the center of my Premiere Pro screen, but I just want to make sure set up this my second clip too. So this is my second clip and I just want to put it here. By the way, if you want to crop your second clip too, you can do it, but for here I don't need that. Now I just want to put a stroke in the between, right? So on the left side you will see a lot of tools. Under the toolbar section, just go and select pen tool. You can do with your keyboard P, right? So here you can see this is the icon of pen tool, and I will go and put a straight line here, right? But I want to add a stroke. So basically to add a stroke you need essential graphics, and if you're not able to find the essential graphics toolbar here, just go to your Windows section and make sure there's a tick mark of beside essential graphics, then it will show in your screen. So here I am. Now you can see this is a stroke icon here. So I will just tick mark on it and you can see it has been bigger. So if I just want to bigger, I will just click and hold my mouse and move towards right side. So I just want like this, but I want to change the color. I will just go here and I will put a black color, right? So I just want a black, no, red is fine here. And then I will click OK. Now, if I just let me show you by playing it, okay? So guys, you can see this is a split screen, and if you want to move it, you can move it. For example, this here, I just want to make the graphics much more better here, and I can zoom it too. So I will just scale it up, right? And now it's perfectly fit. Now you can export it. This is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful.